Hey Stephanie, how are you? This is Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. I spoke with Lindsay yesterday at your office. She said that you would be the person that would watch this free custom video about what the Wayne's Air website. So I wanted to send this over to you. It's really, I just wanted to show you three tips and tricks to help your online presence, and at the end of the day, get you more customers in the door. So without further ado, I'll jump right into this. If you like this video and you want to use these things yourself, I have no problem with that. If you do want to, ask me some questions and talk a little bit further about how we can help bring you more customers in the, the Kingsland, Marble Falls, Horseshoe Bay area, would love to do that as well. So, give me a call. But without further ado, jump into the video. The three things I want to talk about today. Number one, I want to talk about content. Number two, we'll talk about citations. And then three, we'll talk about backlinks. So first, content. Content on your website is key. It's key to people finding you, obviously, online. And it's key to Google search, which everybody uses, right? So just looking through your website, it's a very nice website. You got some great images. People know what you do. It's clear. Bare minimum on your website, you want to have, this is kind of a rule of thumb with Google, you want to have at least 1,500 words on your website. So between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your homepage is something that Google's looking for when they're quote unquote robots are scrolling, looking to see who has authority and who does a good job. So you definitely have under 1,000 words on your homepage. So we could definitely help with that. We've got a lot of expertise in content writing and having the right content, and with the right content meaning having the right keywords on there. So that and by keywords, all I mean by that is what are people searching for when they're looking for heating and AC repair or new heating and air systems in your area, and so that's what I mean by keywords. So that's content, and you guys have a nice website, but there's definitely some things we could do to really bolster that and make it strong to where when people are searching for you, they're going to find you. Number two, what I want to talk about is citations. So we talk about Google. You'll hear me talk about Google a lot. So this is a keyword, an example of a good keyword. AC repair, Marble Falls, Texas, right? That's a buyer intent keyword. If somebody's going to Google and they're typing that in, they live in Marble Falls and they're looking to get, AC repair done. So when we look at that, we want to find Wayne's Heating and Air on this first page. And first thing you're going to see, of course, are ads, and ads are fine. We do those as well. But obviously you got to pay for those on a regular basis, right? And what we really focus on with Execution Digital Marketing is we really focus on organic results where you're not having to pay for this month in and month out. You pay for it, it gets fixed, it gets done the right way, and then you're reaping the benefits and getting those new clients month in and month out. So, after you scroll by the ads, you come to what we call the Google Map Pack. This is a huge key area that a lot of people overlook because this is the first thing people see when they type this keyword in. And we've got, as you can see, the top three that show up are Hometown AC Repair, Macintosh Air Conditioning and Heating, and Ken's Heating and Air. We want to get you in this map pack. You want to be in this top three. This is again, a lot of business owners, kind of ignore this or don't pay much attention to it. But these three businesses are getting a ton of leads from this, and they're getting a ton of business, and it's really, really generating a lot of money for them. So citations is how we get you in this top three. Citations, of course, is just your name, address, and phone number, the way it's listed in Google and on the World Wide Web. So all these directories that you've signed up for, your Home Advisor, your Angie's List, your Yelp, your Facebook even, these are all citations. So we want to get as many of those as we can. We have research where I can go in and look to see how many citations these guys have and where they have citations. And that's where I go in and we get those citations for you, and then we get we double the amount of citations that we have from all these competition, so that Google sees that and they put you in this top 3 and you're getting all that business instead of Ken's or Macintosh. Okay, so that's citations and how that works. The third thing I want to show you is backlinks. So this is a software that I pay $400 to $500 a month for. But what it allows me to do is type in your website here and really get a good look of what's good, what's bad, what's working, what's not. And so I won't go into all these numbers. I'll just point out a few because I want to talk about backlinks. Backlinks is very important in Google's eyes. All a backlink is your website, your URL here, waynesair.com, and that is linked to different websites linking back to your website. So for instance, a home remodeler that talks about Wayne's Air and what a great job they did, that's going to link back to your website and give you authority in Google's eyes. And by authority means you're going to rank on that first page. So we want to get you more backlinks, and we want to get you strong backlinks, not just any backlink, but we do the research and really go in and find out which ones are going to give you the most bang for your buck and get us on that first page. And the next number I want to show you here is out of those 31 backlinks, you're ranking for 13 organic keywords. Just clicking into this to show you real quick, there are no keywords that you're ranking for that are actually bringing you business, right? These are Wayne's Heating and Air. That's a great it's great that you're ranking for that keyword, but it's not a buyer intent keyword. This is more like if somebody's driving by your place in Kingsland, which that's how I found you. I drive by there all the time because my parents live in Kingsland. And they see Wayne's Heating and Air every day, and when their AC breaks, they type in Wayne's Heating and Air. That's branding, and that's a good thing. But again, not bringing you a ton of business. We want to get you buyer intent, ranked for buyer intent keywords like AC repair Marble Falls, AC repair Horseshoe Bay, those sort of things where people are searching for those. They're going to find you here. So going back to your backlinks again, I think it was 31 backlinks that you have. Yep, 31 backlinks. I just want to show you your competition. So this is, and I don't know if this is your competition or not. This is who showed up on the first page of Google organic results, right? Because after this map pack here that I showed you, the first business that shows up when you type in AC repair Marble Falls, Texas, is Clendenin Services. So let's go back to the software and plug their website in, and as you can see, 274 backlinks that they've got. So they're doing some work to make sure that they're ranked for these organic keywords. Okay, they've got 59 organic keywords, but look, when we click into their organic keywords, let's just look at this first one, Marble Falls Heat and Air. Okay, that's buyer intent. That's somebody that lives in Marble Falls that's looking for heating and air. Marble Falls Air Conditioning, second one. They're ranked in the top, the third position here. So that gives you a good idea of kind of what buyer intent means and how you get ranked for those words. So when people type that in, the business is coming to you rather than Clendenin. And that's how we do that, and that's how you beat your competition. So anyway, I hope that those three tips helped you out. Again, I'd love to talk to you guys further. I know that my dad has used you guys. He lives out in Kingsland, and said you guys did a great job. So thought I'd take a look at your website and give you some tips. But look forward to talking to you, Stephanie, and hope you have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Thanks so much.